Hi everybody and welcome to Gobble Up. Whenever we talk of pasta, we think of pasta in red sauce or white sauce. Today we are going to make pasta in green sauce. So I've taken enough water. I will be taking 400 grams of pasta. So I've taken enough water. I've added around 2 teaspoons of salt to it, a little bit of oil, and in this water I'm going to boil the pasta. And while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I've taken one bundle of spinach and I'm going to blanch it. Blanch it means I'm going to take a little bit of water and just boil it so that it becomes a little soft. Now, green sauce means it's going to be a sauce with spinach. Now my water is boiled. I've taken the pasta and I've put it in, and I'm going to boil the pasta till it is just done, not completely soft, but just about tender. Now the spinach is also ready. Don't overboil the spinach, otherwise the color will become very dark. So this is just about enough. It's soft, and I'll switch the gas off. Meanwhile, the pasta is also almost done. It is just the right consistency. Now once the spinach is cooled, we are going to churn it. So I've taken a quarter cup of milk in my mixie, and now I'm going to churn the palak. Now in a wok, take some butter, around 1.5 tablespoons of butter, wait for it to melt, and then add a little bit of oil. When you add oil and butter together, then the butter does not burn. So it's always nice to take a little bit of oil and butter mix. Now I've taken about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, add it to this, and once the garlic cooks a little, now add 1 cup of chopped capsicum and 1 cup of chopped onions. Now just stir it a little. Don't overcook it. Just stir it till the onion is slightly pink in color. Now I've added 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and a little bit of salt. Just give it a little stir. Now to this I've added 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mixed herbs are readily available in the market. For some reason, if you don't have mixed herbs, even oregano is just good enough. And half a cup of chopped tomatoes. So you can see that the vegetables are not overcooked, but they are just soft. The onions are slightly pink. Now we're going to make the white sauce. So I've taken 2 cups of milk, and to this I've added a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of pepper, now take some butter in a pan, wait for the butter to melt, and immediately add 2 tablespoons of maida. And because I've taken 2 cups of milk, so I've taken 2 tablespoons of maida. And quickly start stirring it because the maida has a tendency of forming lumps. So quickly stir it, and once it comes together, add the milk mixture. And continuously, vigorously keep stirring it, otherwise there will be lumps formed in the sauce. And continue to do it till you get the sauce consistency. And you can see that the sauce is turning thick. Once it is thick, add the green palak puree that we've made, And you can see how beautiful the color of the sauce is turning, nice and green. So this is of course the main ingredient for the entire pasta. Now once the sauce is ready, we only have to add the pasta into it. The pasta is being added and you can see how beautiful it's going to look. Mix it all up together. And your green pasta is ready. Now of course we have to add the sauteed vegetables. Now once you add the sauteed vegetables, look how yummy it looks. And that's it. The dish is done. Take it out into a serving bowl and enjoy it nice and hot. If you want to garnish it further, like I've done, I've just added a little bit of black pepper, and just for a little bit of a creamy taste, I'm adding a little bit of fresh cream to it. Just mix up a little bit of fresh cream and it will really have a very, very creamy taste. And finally, some grated cheese on it. And believe me, it's going to taste yummy. Do try it out. And if you've enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.